Hello guys, and welcome to GeoScreen. And on this tutorial we are going to look on object alignment in AutoCAD. Alright, like for example here we have two different kinds of drawing, one based on the map or else the RIM, and another one based on the groundwork. Alright, so we are going to overlay both of them. Alright, and for this operation we are going to be using a specific command which is written for this operation, and this one is align command. All right, so before we can call the command, we are going first to select a baseline which is going to be our basis in alignment. So for example, you can say that we are going to align the RIM with the groundwork. So we are going to click this one to this one, and we have that one as our baseline. All right, so we can now move this line to this point. All right, and now what you are going to do, we are going to have this one aligned with this line because this line is extracted from the groundwork. So we can see that this corner, this end of the line corresponds to this corner here, and this one corresponds to this one as it is on the groundwork. All right, so we are going to select the map and its drawing, and then we call the align command. From your keyboard you type align. All right, and once you call the align, this one will pop up. So you click on this, and then you see here it's asking for the first source point. Your first source point is this one. All right, we can say we want to move this point to its destination, and this one comes to this edge, and then this point, the second source point, which will align with this part of line. All right, the second destination. Then you click that, then you click enter, and then another enter, and you have your map aligned with the ground. So we can now see the comparison of the two. You can see they are correctly aligned. All right, so what we are going now to do, we are just going to copy the ground. All right, let's go on the drawing. All right, and then we choose this one as our point, and then we move it to its corresponding point here on the map. So that's it. We have them ground correctly overlaid onto the map. And now if this was the purpose, if maybe it was for the purpose of producing a mutation document, you can now do away with whatever else is here for the ground. All right, because now you have the RIM, and then what you are left with is the portion which maybe you wanted to have it reflecting on the RIM. So this is it. This way it is lying with its orientation. So you can now trim whatever else is not required, because maybe for example here we have some aspect with the width of the road. All right, so you can trim this part, and then you are left with that one. So you have your subdivision overlaid onto the map. So this one now can be produced on its right location on the RIM. So that's it guys for today. Thank you, and please remember to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet subscribed, by hitting the subscription button at the bottom right corner here, and stay tuned for the next forthcoming tutorials. Thank you.